Hi people, how una dey? Greetings to you everybody. Mm, this is obollo. Welcome to obollo in Enugu State. Obollo is located in the local government area of Enugu State. It's a commercial town, and I want to tell people that obollo is not on Suka, and obollo is not in Osuka. Obollo is in Udenu local government area of Enugu State. Yes, this is obollo. Yeah, this video is at least to tell you, for people that don't know, that is not from Enugu State, or even people that is from Enugu State, or even people that is from obollo that don't know that obollo is not in Nsukka. Obollo is not in Nsukka. Please, we are obollo. We are not in Nsukka. I beg. Yeah. Thank you for watching this video. This is Obollo Gaga, the commercial capital of Enugu State. I'm not kidding you, bro. Yeah. Please like, comment, and share this video. I beg.